Hi guys, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how we can save multiple datas into data store service in Roblox Studio. So let's get into the video. So if you haven't watched the first video yet, go watch it because we created this basic data saving system and we're gonna overwrite it now. So let's say that you're making a simulator game. Like you wanna save like power, money, rabbits, and stuff. And here you can only save like one data. So in today I'm gonna show you how we can save multiple datas. So let's start with the first method, and it is creating more than one data store. So how that does works, you may ask. So you see we created a data store called money here. I'm gonna copy that line and paste it on here and call this another name for this variable. Let's say river data store. Also make sure that you change the data store name. Let's make it rebirth. So now I don't recommend using the first method, but if you still want to use it, use it. So you gotta so we first gotta create int value called rebirth. Local rebirth equals to int value leader stats. So you can change those names to whatever you want. Also, it means like integer and it doesn't have decimals. If you want decimals, then you gotta type number value. If you want true or false value, you need to type true value. Now since it's a number, I wanna make it an integer value and I don't want it to be like have decimals, so I would like to make it integer value. Name rebirth. Rebirth dot value equals to 0. So now we like got our data in here. So I'm gonna copy that and paste it into here. Now it might look messy, and that's why I don't recommend using the first method. So we gotta change the variable names. So data t, success t, error message t, data t, and rebirth data store rebirth. Now what are we doing on here is we're changing the data store. We are editing the my bad. Rebirth data store, as you can see on here, and we are getting the async call play.userID plus rebirth. Now if successfully, else print error message t, print data rebirth dot value. So now we implemented as getting the rebirths, but we haven't added saving yet, so let's do it real quick. Let's copy this again. Local plus do. Just like do whatever you want, because the only thing that matters is the variable names shouldn't be exact the same. Rebirth data store set async. Okay, so user stats star. So its name is called rebirth. I'm gonna paste this. successful then. So I'm changing the values in client and not server. That's the mistake I made. So that's why the server and client is very important. Let's make it like 30, and for the money, let's do it like 70. And now it should work. Yes. So that was the first method, and I don't recommend using it because of how the messy the code will become. So now let's get into the second method, which is making a data, a table. So now let's delete those new data stores that we made. And this is how the code looked like when we started the video. So now, instead of money, I wanna make it like player stats. Nice, so I'm gonna delete those dash money thingies. So now, let's start with the saving. So we still got the rubric, by the way. I haven't deleted it because we need it. This is the place, like, let's say that you want to save 2 or 3 values into one data store. So let's create a variable called local stats. Oh no, man, that's the core thing. Let's do like player stats equals to an empty table. Table dot insert player stats. And for this, I'm gonna copy this. And I'm gonna copy this line again and do uber.value. So repeat this progress for all the values you wanna save. And I wanna save this table, so that let's get player stats for the save. And I also wanna print the player stats when we leave the game. Okay, so now let's do, like, we're getting the table now as success to spin data. So okay, so money dot value, we haven't saved the data yet. So we could delete that line because it's already 0. Else money.value is the data brackets, or I don't know if it calls brackets. Yeah, the first. So that means the first item of the array, and the first one is going to be money. So let's copy this line again. Let's do repeat.value data, and the second item, which is the rebirth. I highly recommend this because it's like the code doesn't get messy. And let's do it. Then the nil is the saved data, so they are 0 now. But if I change those values, yeah, so I wanna play again. As you can see, it works, and if you look at the console, it says table and bunch of things. This is the problem when you convert a table into a string. So that was what I was worried about when I was inspecting the code. if we were gonna like leave where is it? Okay, here is it. If we were gonna just like print the data, it would just print this, and let's see. Yeah, it just says print data. Yeah, as you can see, there's an array icon, and the first one is 70, which means that's our money. The second one is our rebirths. So that was the secret matter, and that was the video. I hope you liked the video, and you can subscribe if you love this type of content. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you want, you can also like. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in another video.